Example number 1 on law of conservation of mass. What is the statement? Law of conservation of mass states the total mass of the reactants is equal to the total mass of the products. Sum of the mass of the reactants is equals to sum of the mass of the products involved in a chemical reaction. We can also define in this way: mass can neither be created nor matter can neither be created nor destroyed. It only transforms from one form to another form of matter. So the Lavoisier is a scientist who has proposed this particular data. According to this particular data, we are going to solve this question. What mass of NaCl would be decomposed by 9.8 grams of H2SO4 if 12 grams of NaHSO4, 3.65 grams of HCl are produced in a chemical reaction? So if you take this data forward, according to this particular data, if I move into a question, let us take the reaction. What is the reaction for this? If I take NaCl is going to react with H2SO4 to give a product NaHSO4 and HCl. In the question, we don't know what is the grams of NaCl reacting. Let us take x grams. Given the mass of H2SO4 participating in the reaction is 9.8 grams, giving you the product NaHSO4 sodium bisulfate 12 grams and HCl is produced, which is 3.65 grams. According to law of conservation of mass, total sum of the mass of reactants is equals to sum of the mass of products. Sum of mass of products. So if I take this condition, sum of the masses x plus 9.8, this is the reactants, should be equals to 12 plus 3.65. So if I am taking this, I can write x is equals to 12 plus 3.65 is 15.65 minus 9.8, which is equals to 5.85 grams. If you solve, we'll get 5.85 grams. So according to the data, mass of NaCl, we can say mass of NaCl that reacts with 9.8 grams of H2SO4 will be equals to 5.85 grams. Let us check this answer. So the answer 5.85 grams.